Are you creating a positive first and lasting impression? First and last impression are the main gates through which you gain admissions to the most important relationships you will have in your life, be it personal or professional. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sidrel Esther, a NAND-based image consultant. You are in the right place if you want to upgrade your image and boost your self-confidence. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will know each time I post a new video. Have you ever met someone and instantly formed an opinion about them? I plead guilty, and be honest with yourself because we all do that. I'm sure you might have heard of the quotation that goes as, "First impression is the last impression." Studies have shown that in our society today, it takes just 7 seconds for people to be judged based on their appearance. 7 seconds. That is not much time, I totally agree. But believe it or not, that is all you have. So how do you build on those 7 seconds to create a positive first and lasting impression? That is what I will be talking about in this video. I will be giving you 3 tips on how to create a standout killer impression. So, vous êtes prêts? Tip number 1, dress to impress. Your appearance is the major key to create a positive first and lasting impression. We make snap judgment about people from the clothes they wear. So it is important to consider the right clothes style for the meeting or occasion that you are going to attend. Remember, your image is the most direct means of communication, and it reveals much about your personal brand. So for us to dress to impress, there are 3 steps we have to consider. Number 1, dress for the occasion. Ask yourself this question: does my outfit suit the occasion? Where are you going? Where have you been invited? Where are you going to for the first time? Find out to know if there is a dress code so that you will not be surprised when you arrive there, or you will not make a fool of yourself. For example, if you are going for a wedding and they have a dress code of, say, white and gold, and you appear in black, you will be ashamed of yourself and it would make you feel uncomfortable. The second step to take into consideration are details. Your outfit must be clean, well ironed and wrinkle free. Don't go on a first date as if you just stumbled out of bed. Be neatly groomed. Take care of your hair, your makeup, your nails. Shave well. Grooming shows you care about your appearance. The third step, be the real you. The clothes you wear, the color, the accessories that you wear all reveals your personality. So don't fake yourself, just stay the real you. When you wear the right clothes that fits your body shape, you have the right color that matches your skin tone, your hair is well styled, your makeup and everything in place, it makes you feel good about yourself, increase your level of confidence, and makes you look trustworthy. Now, for you to dress good does not mean you have to spend a fortune. Dressing good is not fashionable. Your brand is to wear the appropriate clothes that will make you feel amazing and project the winning image that you want on that first date. Tip number 2, show confidence in your body language. Your body language is also an important etiquette to create a killer impression. Just like your clothes, your body language conveys your mood, your inner feelings or intentions. So consider your posture when you walk in a place. Walk straight and erect, gently, and keep your head parallel. This will boost your image in a crowd. Never use slouch while you walk in a place, because this will show you lack confidence in yourself. Avoid looking down. Remember to keep your head parallel, because when you look down, you shorten your neck. You reduce yourself and you give yourself a double chin. And I don't think that is the impression you want people to have of you on a first date. Now, your facial expression is also important. Maintain eye contact with the person with whom you are having a conversation. It transmits openness and interest, and it makes you look trustworthy and honest. Now, if you are in a place and you're having a conversation with someone and that person keeps looking left, right, center, or looking at the phone, yeah, how will you feel? You will think the person lacks interest in what you are saying. So please, don't give this negative impression on your first dates. Remember to smile. It's a very little detail, but very powerful. Smiling creates warm feeling between people. It makes the other person to be at ease to speak with you, and thereby keeping a positive impression about you. And please don't fake your smile, because a phony smile can easily be spotted. Just be the real you, be natural, and the smile will come by itself. It is free to smile, nobody will ask you to pay. So you can go and smile your best. Another thing you have to take into consideration are your emotions. Going on a first date is not easy. People sometimes get nervous, but try as much as possible to control these emotions on this first date. Avoid crossing your arms, fidgeting with an object, or biting your nails. Just imagine you are in a crowd and you are there like, or even if you are having an interview and while they're asking you questions, you are like, I don't think they would like to give you that job, because the image you are portraying will not represent that company well. So these emotions have to be taken under control on that first date. Third and last tip is the tone and volume of your voice. You can make or break your positive first impression just by the way you say hello. Your tone and volume of your voice says much more about you than you think. Be confident in your voice and maintain a volume appropriate to your environment. Speak not too high, nor too quiet. For people with high voices are said to be dominating, while those with quiet voices are said to be shy. So you just have to keep your voice even. Up to now, I have been stressing about the positive first impression. The positive lasting impression is also very important, because the confidence you have in yourself is going to create a positive lasting impression, and it has the power to influence who will stay with you, who tells others about you, or who will give you the job. With a positive lasting impression, there will always be new opportunities. Friends, you can't control the way people think of you, nor how they are going to judge you. But consider the situation in which you will find yourself. For a job interview, appear competent and confident. For a speech, command respect. For a dinner date, be friendly and warm. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Remember to be the real you and let your image do the talking. Bye, and see you next time.